In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove transitions in PowerPoint slides. Whether you're looking to streamline your presentation or simply prefer a clean, transition-free look, I'll show you everything you need to know to achieve this effortlessly. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Once your slides are on the screen, look to the left side where you have the slide thumbnail pane. This area displays miniature versions of all the slides in your presentation, making it easy to navigate through them quickly. Click on the specific slide where you'd like to remove the transition. Doing this will ensure that any changes you make apply to that particular slide. Next, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll find the ribbon. This is where all of the tools and features in PowerPoint are organized into different tabs. Click on the Transitions tab, which is dedicated to all aspects of slide transitions. Here you'll see the transition to this slide group, showcasing a gallery of various transitions available. Within this gallery, you'll want to select the option labeled None. This action effectively removes any transition that was previously applied to the slide you selected. The slide will now move directly to the next in your presentation without any transitional effects, creating a straightforward, smooth flow. Now, let's say you want to remove transitions from all the slides in your presentation at once. This is a great way to ensure uniformity and can save you quite a bit of time. Start by clicking on any slide in the thumbnail pane on the left. It doesn't matter which one you choose, as we're going to apply a command that affects every slide. Again, navigate to the Transitions tab in the ribbon. Once there in the transition to this slide group, select None from the transition gallery, just as you did before. But now there's an additional step to apply this change to all slides. Look to the far right of the Transitions tab where you'll see the Apply to All button. Click this button and PowerPoint will remove all transitions from every slide in your presentation. And there you have it. Your presentation is now free of transitions, providing a seamless professional experience for your audience. This can be particularly useful in business settings or when you want to keep the focus strictly on your content without any visual distractions. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for tuning in, and make sure to subscribe for more PowerPoint tips and tricks. Happy presenting!